probably about 15 centimeters of snow down so far. Not too bad out. Birds are at the bird feeder. Head down to the boathouse. It's pretty well high tide now, well, just after high tide, and see if there's any surge, any water coming up over the decks of the boathouse. It's pretty windy, strong east wind. It's like going to the boathouse on a summer's day to go swimming. Trees are beautifully covered in snow.
Mighty like a woman's screams, and we'd best be moving faster if we can. Then just think about that barn with that hay so soft and warm, for it's only 3 more months to marry him. It's only 3 more to marry him. Dan, get up. You want to cuss? You'll be the death of us. I'm sober.
Give a break.
I'll help if I can. All right.
Generator for my house for the very first time, and
nothing to do but sit and wait for spring, so I just went and pulled some strings. Made this beat in about 10 seconds. Thanks for the sound, shout out to Brendan. So jump, throw 'em up, but it's kinda hard with coffee in my cup. Shoveling hurts my back, man, but the snowblower's right out back, man. Give it a pull, start down the driveway. I can't see how this can't go my way. Snow boots on and knit cap too.
where's the smoke come out of this thing? Oh, there it is. Okay.
This morning had somewhere to go. The door and scream, no, 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 it's snow.
Here we go.
We say it isn't so.
Is it still working?
Yes, you didn't know.
Okay, so about to start up the generator. Woohoo! First thing I do is, what's the first thing I do? On position. Click. Breakers are on. Gas is full.
Just letting you know.
Gas is turned on. I think. Choke. Choke is here. Okay, choke is on. Here we go. I want to try her out. As you can see, the generator is now on. Fumes are pretty bad. Have to make sure that door is closed. So now I got to go over here, turn off the breaker, which for my life depends on the fact that it's this one over here. Okay. The breaker is now in the off position. I will not blow myself up. I guess that's the only breaker. Okay. Now I have to go over, without tripping over everything, this wire down here, hook that into the generator. That's the next part. And now I'm about to hook this into the generator. Okay, so now I'm going to plug the generator into the socket up here, and then go turn on the breakers and see what happens. Here we go. Where's the end? Okay. Nothing should happen here. Oh, I can't plug it in there because it's the wrong type of ending. It's 3 plugs. So I gotta go over here. I'm gonna plug that into here. Hey, plugged in. Now I gotta go. Wish me luck, boys and girls. Okay, something just happened. Okay, so that's on. Hello? Hi! I'm not too bad. I'm in the dark. I know, we're totally into it now. Up to 60 centimeters, 110 km/h winds, and I just set up my generator for the very first time. And I have a funny way of doing it where I have to put it through plug it into an outlet, and it kind of reverses the power, so I have to make sure the circuit breaker is turned off because the power came on again. I could blow up the house. So I've never done this before, so hello?
Don't like driving when the ground is white. Slipping and sliding sure gives me a fright. Stuck inside the house, such a bummer.
Hello?
Sell the car and buy me a Hummer. So, oh Lord,
Yeah, well, so as you said, it's just random, the things that are on. Like the fridge is on, and the light in the kitchen, and my aquarium. And okay, so I'm having my hand out in front of me.
Both hands.
Both hands. Okay, I'm putting the phone down. Okay, my other hands are in front of me.
And then stick your fingers in between the fingers of the other hand. So that they're like,
Yes.
think of it like two rings.
Yeah, I got it.
And that's how your panel's set up. So your panel, when you plug into a socket,
Yes.
every other breaker on one side or the other will be powered, because
Oh, okay.
if one breaker's powered, the one won't be, and then the next one will be powered, the next one won't, the next will be, the next won't, because your panel is literally all
Yeah,
out,
okay.
because you're gonna run into fuel.
Once I figure out the circuits, I'm gonna turn it off. And just wait.
Heat up the house and then just shut it off, and
Yeah.
then
With the electrical wire that goes all the way down and out into the basement, out the door to the generator. So it's powering the furnace, and the furnace is now on, I hope. Yes, it's heating up. Yay. Okay, so anyway, that's the end of my story so far. Stay tuned. Bye.